Today, I will be exploring a long-time abandoned hospital named the Saratoga Homestead Hospital. This hospital, located in eastern New York, is said to be the most haunted hospital in the state of New York. Alright, what is up everyone? It is Tyler Hummel. I'm back with a brand new video today. If you're new to my channel, guys, what I do is I travel around America, I travel around the states exploring really cool abandoned places, and today I am in eastern New York, up near Albany, and I'm going to be exploring what is apparently to be said the most haunted abandoned hospital in the state of New York. And today my girlfriend Cora will be coming along with me.
Hi guys!
Right now we're parked in an empty parking lot. There's snow everywhere, and we have about a 10-minute walk to the abandoned hospital, so we will see you guys as soon as we get there. Alright guys, so we're outside of the hospital right now. As you can see right here, it looks super freaking old. And there's fencing all around it. There's an opening right here. We're gonna walk through and just hop through the freaking window. So this hospital was opened in 1914 and it's been abandoned since 1960, as you can see. Alright guys, so we're gonna go head in. We're gonna try to be in there for maybe like an hour or something. This is apparently most haunted hospital in New York, so I did bring an EMF reader. We're gonna take a few minutes and do some investigating. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, really quick break. The next clip you're about to see was supposed to just be a simple cinematic clip of us walking up to the hospital, but what happened instead literally scared the shit out of us. So here you go. Go up that side, I'll go this side. That's on record, we got that!
Should we start running?
Fucking alarm? Should we?
Oh, wait, I don't know.
No way! No fucking way!
All that for
No way!
Wait, should we hide? Is that a cop? Don't run. Don't run.
No way. We didn't do anything.
Don't run. Just be like we were taking pictures. It's kind of bad though.
It's fine.
Oh my god, my stomach. What the fuck?
Can you still hear it?
No, it's probably false alarm.
Wait, really?
No one's
Should
here.
we try again? Shh. So an alarm just went off, guys. It was actually like pretty loud, but we don't hear it anymore. That was actually hilarious. We literally recorded all that.
Trying to.
Oh my god. Wait, how is there an alarm on this place?
My legs. Oh my god, I'm like really scared now.
I wonder if the owner lives in that house down there though. What the fuck? Did it go off?
Yeah,
We need to go around the back then. We need to go around the back. Shh. What's everywhere? The fence? We didn't even do anything wrong. Fuck this. Come on. That's the second time that an alarm has gone off in an abandoned place that I've been to.
Like, did it go off like that?
No. Alright guys, so we just got to the back, and obviously you just saw a freaking alarm went off in the front. It looks like someone broke off this alarm, but every doorway is open. Every doorway is open, and like it looks like an alarm over every door, except we're pretty close to this one. It hasn't gone off, so I'm gonna just try to walk. We're inside right now. We're already hearing weird freaking noises. I don't know if they're doing something to this place. Because this, well, I mean, maybe this is just what the basement looks like. I don't know. We're gonna start off by walking through the basement. So far, there hasn't been any alarms. So hopefully, they're just there to scare, because this place is in the middle of nowhere, and here, so. Yeah, this has to just be recent.
Careful. They're doing something
I
now.
want to freaking start doing the ghost thing out now.
What is that?
No idea.
Looks like a hamster running.
Why are these boards on?
God, I don't know.
What?
I don't like this. I'm so scared.
Yeah, I know.
Just look how it is. It looks like they've been cleaning.
Yeah, I know. I keep walking into the freaking cobwebs too. I want to go back up and just go upstairs.
You must be like. I'm gonna go look over there.
What?
I'm gonna go look over there.
No, let's just go upstairs.
Scared me.
We're on the first floor right now. They're definitely doing stuff in here.
No, that can't.
There's a bunch of caution, whatever the hell they're called. And so the floor is probably not that safe. So we're gonna have to be very,
Don't step on that cross.
very careful.
Whatever it is. Look, it's wet in here. There's pipes leaking.
But it is very, very quiet in here. Like you can hear, you can hear absolutely nothing when we both stop talking.
This is like.
No ghosts yet. Alright, let's go this way. Because like there's a whole other freaking half of it on that side.
It's pretty long.
God, one of us is gonna fall through the floor. Did you hear that?
What?
Did you hear that?
I heard something, but I didn't think it was any. I was scared.
Just quiet for a minute. Shh. I want to hear something.
Wait.
See?
Sound like the car slowed down.
Gives a shit.
Don't go in any of these rooms because
I'm not. I'm just gonna record
collapsing.
from outside.
Oh my god,
Oh God.
this is like
This
bad trip.
place is like bad.
Look at these stairs.
What is all that? Why is it so quiet? How many floors are there? Like 3?
I have no idea. It's like, I'm like so nervous right now.
Oh my gosh, I love how we just complete, like, have you forgotten about the freaking alarm yet?
No, my heart is like to my feet.
They must have put that on recently because I've read the reviews about this place In not one review does anyone say anything about experiencing a freaking alarm. I mean, not many people have gone in. There's that, obviously, will fall through the floor.
Yeah, like what? Like another stairway.
But yeah, that was definitely just to scare you off.
Yeah, but like, holy
Because
crap.
most people aren't even going to come here regardless. And then once the alarm goes off, they're definitely not going to go inside.
I feel like I keep hearing stuff. I don't even know. I just heard something out here. No, I just heard something out here. It's like a thud.
Oh, wait.
Are the floors okay?
We're still on like the freaking first floor.
Yeah.
Wait, is the
we were in the
basement
basement.
underground? Yeah, it still goes way down.
Wait, is there like a hole underneath this? Like, wow.
What the hell in the cabinet?
I don't know. It's like a, like, just the floor.
Like, wow. There's nothing left here at all.
This is like concrete.
Wait, why is
The
it
heck?
like this?
This floor that looks like sand is like concrete.
Yeah, but how did it get like this?
Probably just from it being wet and like hardening. It's like I'm walking on mountains right now. Oh my god, I just slipped. What is this? These bars.
There's the...
It's like weird how this flooring is like rock hard.
Look, come look at this. Come record this.
What is
You
it?
see the holes that are everywhere.
Oh my god.
So we're
There's
still...
stairs right here.
Okay.
Wanna go up these stairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not even kidding though. Like, as soon as we started walking up these stairs, I felt very, like, light. And just not normal.
Yeah, it feels weird. I'm stuck. Wow.
I wonder if you can get on the roof.
Probably fall through. I don't know if we should go upstairs. Look at the floors. They're like,
Yeah, but think about how it looks like under us.
yeah, but
Did you
I
even look
looked.
up?
I
Oh,
did.
you did?
And there was like tile or roofing or whatever it is. But this is like, that's like, I don't know if I want to go up there. I mean, if we fall, at least it's not that far of a drop.
This just seems like... I find it hard to believe that this is, like, haunted. Like, I get, like, it, well, I mean, it is super old, but, like, it feels like there's just... What was that?
It's a bird.
Oh, I don't know. It just feels super dead here.
Yeah, I know. Like, normally we hear, like,
Yeah, this is, like...
there's like noise in the building.
It feels like we're just in an empty, freaking, like, destroyed, falling apart hospital.
Well,
You can't even-
this must be a, this was probably all wall. Look,
You can't
these are
even- You
doorways.
can't even tell. I mean, it's definitely set up like a hospital with the hallways. But there's nothing to tell you that it was like a hospital.
Right. That's so weird. Can't believe a freaking alarm went off.
It's not an alarm, miss it?
What is that? Is that a dog?
I don't.
It sounds like it's getting closer and further.
Yeah, I know. It's not going at a steady pace. But it won't stop either. I think that's a fucking alarm.
It's getting closer.
Where is it?
Should we get out?
No, but we're not over there.
Shh.
What the hell?
Is that the alarm that we heard?
That's not.
That's a turkey. It's a fucking turkey.
Are you serious?
I think so.
Yeah, because it's coming from.
Wait, I think it's coming from.
It's coming from the woods. I don't know.
I think it's a turkey.
Yeah. No, because that sounds like it's far away. Like not.
Yeah,
super
in the woods.
Far. Yes, we're fine.
Wait, hang on.
Think about it. If that was the alarm, it would be so much louder. We'd be running out of here right now because we would be able to talk.
Oh my god. Wait,
It just. I keep.
that's the alarm.
No, that's a turkey. You can hear it.
Baby, the front door is right there. Oh my god, it is. It's right there. It's a freaking bird. It's a crow. What is that? Are those icicles?
That's so weird. It sounds just like a freaking alarm.
Okay, wait.
Alright guys, we're on the top floor right now. Yeah, that was apparently just a freaking turkey, even though it sounded just like the alarm. You can literally compare the two. They sound like identical. But we're on the top floor right now. It looks more like a hospital up here. Like it's destroyed everywhere. Oh, look at that. The first car driving by since we've been in here. No, but like, look, see the
Careful,
paint?
this is like ice.
Look, the paint is still on the walls. That's what made, and there's a door intact.
There's like ice on the ground.
Yeah, it actually does look like a freaking hospital up here.
What's in there? Careful of the floors.
Yeah, it's squishy.
Yeah, no,
Just don't
okay.
even bother.
There's more stairs.
Do they go up?
They go there. Yeah, there is up, but it goes up to that.
It goes under the roof.
This is this up.
Do the stairs look fine?
No, it just ends right there. Like that's an
Yeah,
opening.
maybe there's a. I don't know.
How are you?
Let's see.
There's
You know-
other stairway.
You know we have to go on the roof.
Yeah.
We go on the roof to every abandoned place.
Yup. What the heck? You wanna lay in that? Wanna lay on this body?
We have to find Sam and Colby's X sticker.
Oh my god, yes.
No, seriously, it's in
Shout
here.
out to Sam and Colby.
It's actually in here though.
Where?
Probably, I don't know. Usually it's somewhere high up. I don't know if it went on the roof though. Oh look, there's actually something left here.
Wow. Surprising.
Yeah, there's nothing there. There's cabinets.
Wow. Wow, look.
Nice. What is that?
It's a butt. Wow, this is really cool.
Oh, what the hell is in there?
Is that a new coat for me? Careful of the floors. Yeah, what the heck? It's like a big room.
I guarantee you the sticker. Oh my god, I think it's in here.
What's in here?
The sticker.
It's birds. It's
Are you recording?
Yes, it's birds, I think. I think it's a pigeon.
Okay, so guys,
Pigeons make those noise.
Yeah, I know. How many heart attacks have we fucking had so far? Oh my god.
This is like
There's probably
the most
the bird's gonna
interesting-
fly out and fucking hit us in the head. It's probably under the. What is this? Wait, what
Like
the
an
hell?
auditorium,
Well,
maybe?
yeah, but this is a
Cafe?
hospital. You know what?
Like, yeah, but
You know what? Before, well, you guys would have already seen it by now, but I'll probably, because this hospitals are usually.
wait.
Guys. Shh. Third bang. Listen.
What? Okay.
Shh. Get closer. Get closer.
Wait. Get the ghost detector.
Was that even a bird in the first place?
I have no idea.
There were 4 bangs.
What the?
I'm sure the camera heard it because it's like quiet in here.
Oh
There
my
were 4 bangs behind that door right there.
I'm so scared right now.
Look.
Yeah, I was.
Wait, what the hell is it? It's a,
I don't know. Go up there and
it's a
see.
bird.
Go up there and see. I'll video you.
Can I get? Oh, that's not.
Yeah, don't go over there. Please, that's like.
You have to move the door back.
That's like.
Yeah, this is definitely the street.
Like, I was just.
Oh my god, I thought. Is that your shadow?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's your shadow.
Okay.
I just don't understand.
I don't like this.
I don't know what to describe that as.
Oh my god. Find their sticker.
Like, the first noise that we heard, it almost sounded like a bird, but that just sounded like bangs on a door.
Yeah, that was weird.
That was like 4 bangs at the door.
Yeah, it sounded like a pigeon because we've heard a pigeon before at the buffalo place.
Where did we go from?
Back around. It looks like there's another side of the building. Over here. Careful, this is like ice. I mean, if you want to go skating, then have fun. This is like, oh, this is just like the other side.
That's that thing in the window. Wait, did it sound?
Something. They were choking. I don't know.
No, it sounded. I thought I heard like it sounded like someone was walking down there. Like it sounded like like a conversation.
There's a stupid bird again, but that's not the sound.
Yeah, that's not the banging. Did you hear that?
There's people in here. Stop. Oh, yeah. Actual. Shh. There's people in here. I think so. There's talking and walking. Are you sure? I'm pretty sure. What the fuck? I wanna go.
Do you want to leave?
I'm scared. There's like one after another.
Yeah, but we have to fucking go back down there now. Shh. It could be the owner.
Oh, no, what are we gonna say?
I've seen him before on other people's videos. He's super nice. Yeah, that's if it's the owner. Fuck. Do you want to head out?
There's just noise.
I'll record on the way out, but do you want... Let's just start walking back down this hallway. serious? No, I don't feel like doing that. Wait, Seth, where did we come?
This way. We came from this way.
Okay. So yeah, guys, we're gonna start making our way back down. I feel like we've recorded mostly everything. I mean, this hospital wasn't that big, but there's like an unbelievable amount of noises going on right now.
We should get like a ghost thing.
Do you want to?
Do we need a ghost thing?
Yeah, but I feel like, yeah, but we should go back in that room then. I guarantee you we won't.
Let's go back really quick.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You know what? Let's just pick a random room to go in and do it.
No, we gotta go back to that room. That's where
Really?
the was. Yeah.
Okay.
Careful. Wait, can we listen? Where's yours?
Wait, is it right here? Alright guys, so I have the K2 meter. I'm gonna turn it on and just set it down. I don't know if I should just set it down in the middle of the floor.
Don't set on all that bird crap.
This is where we heard all the bangs.
There's like bird crap.
I don't expect anything to happen, but we're gonna see anyways.
Wait, what does it have to do? Turn red?
No, if it just starts sparking, if the lights start sparking. Like there's nothing's happening right now. It will just freaking spark. If there's something here, can you bang again? We haven't heard that bang in a while.
It's a bunch of
I heard something. Right there. Wait. God, it's literally 20 degrees out too right now.
yeah, my toes. I can't feel them.
No, me neither.
That's like bird crap that your thing's sitting on. You do realize that, right?
Wow. That was me.
Yeah, I know.
God damn it. Oh my god.
That was a huge.
So,
Wait, where did it go? And that was.
no ghosts. There's no ghosts.
Okay,
We need to get the fuck out of here.
okay. Yeah, we need to go. But that talking, there's somebody or something downstairs.
We're not even down. We're not even back downstairs yet, guys.
That pigeon was huge. Yeah, I can't feel
Let's
myself.
get the fuck out of here. We still have
There's like still a whole nother side. But it's like,
I think we didn't go down there. You fucking shit.
yeah, it's the same thing. There's not much in here. And We've heard
20 degrees out right now.
we've heard way too much.
There's ice.
Yeah, there's
So
ice.
it's that cold, as you can see.
Do you still have your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
But, yeah, it's still... Wait. So, do you think that was the pigeon on the bangs?
No, because that was behind the door.
And it sound... Yeah, I know.
But-
that pigeon was in the ceiling.
Yeah.
And those bangs sounded like knocks.
Oh yeah, I got
Like
so scared.
And it's just...
Wait,
It's,
for a second.
I
Okay,
all
let's
of a
just
sudden,
get out of here.
like, got frozen.
Who cares? Oh my god, I just slipped. Oh my
You know
god,
what?
did
I'm
it
not
get
kidding.
colder? Though?
I know.
Did it?
Is that just... I
Because
can't
over-
feel my hands
No.
all of a sudden.
Neither can I. Here,
They're, like,
put this on.
freezing.
Put that on. And also,
No, I have gloves in my
okay,
pocket.
put on your gloves.
No, like, it's not even...
No, wait. Because
I'm
even
gonna have a panic attack.
no, because
What the fuck?
even we got scared and we're not like sweating or anything.
I guess.
No,
Yeah,
we're
but I
not.
don't think I've ever been this cold before.
Oh my god, it's okay.
Like, my hands are, like,
Let's
frozen.
yeah, let's run to the car.
Wait. What?
Do we come from this way?
I don't fucking know.
Where are we? Where's this
I
stairway?
don't know.
It has to be up to the left over here.
I'm sure it's, like, right here or something. Yep.
Okay, I don't remember coming over this, but I mean, okay. Wait,
At least it doesn't smell like hospital in here.
yeah, the
Oh,
second.
God knows what's in that dust. Just go straight down to the basement.
Fuck the coat, honestly.
Really?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't even... I don't like this place.
It's not gonna probably be there. Like,
This place is terrifying for some
wait,
unknown reason.
can you wait for me? Careful. Oh my god. Where is it? We're at the end.
Yeah, we're at the whole other
Oh my
end.
god, I don't like this.
So right now we're gonna have to walk back through the entire basement.
Yeah, we haven't been over here yet.
I know.
Where are we? I don't like this. Can we go
I know.
like to a different stairs?
Oh, it smells like shit down here now. What?
Go up, go up.
Oh, this is the door. This is the door.
What door?
This is how we get out. Alright.
This isn't the way we came in though.
Fuck. It's not. Let's just go back up here. And then take the other stairwell back down. And
Okay, so we're back upstairs, guys.
We're on the first floor. No, I don't even know. Is that it? I think. Is it?
No,
Nope,
careful.
it's not. It's not. Fuck.
Right after this room to the right. And I'm trying to keep the camera as still as I can.
Fine.
Shaking. So,
I remember that door. Yeah. What's that?
I don't know. Oh, there's a. Wait,
Oh, great.
we didn't go this far now.
Very well. Alright, careful.
Okay, please.
Alright, for the people that stuck to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. It was a pretty cool, fun, and crazy adventure today. If you enjoy my content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, share my channel and videos with your friends and family. You're going to be seeing my girlfriend Cora a lot more on my YouTube videos, on my YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video.